Hello all. I welcome you all on behalf of Vidhigya, your best pal for CLAT preparations. Here at Vidhigya, we have come up with this unique initiative wherein we'll be doing a 360-degree analysis of those topics which are important as far as CLAT 2021 exam is concerned. So today our topic for the discussion is Mount Everest height revised, or we can say there is a change in the height of Mount Everest that we are gonna discuss. So before that, I'll just take you through the flow of content that how we are gonna go ahead. First of all, we'll see why this was in news. Okay, then we'll have a look at the nations which are involved in it and a brief history about Mount Everest as well. Apart from that, those people like those who have achieved victories or who were the first pioneers who reached the peak, that is Mount Everest, which is followed by 5 questions as well. So we are ready to begin. A quote that is success is not final, failure is not fatal, it's the courage to continue that counts by Winston S. Churchill. So with this, we are ready to begin. Okay, so what has happened recently? Nepal and China had devised or announced the new height of Mount Everest. Earlier, the height of Mount Everest used to be 8848 meters. Okay, and it was devised by India only in the year 1954 by a survey of India. But recently, because of the growing relations, or we can say uh, increase in good friendliness between Nepal and China, they had tried to figure it out through this another medium wherein they have jointly means they have done it separately, but the result have came same. Like the height of according to Nepal is 8848.86 meters. Like from the previous one, 86 centimeter, the height of this Mount Everest has increased, and the same goes with China as well. That according to them 86 centimeter has increased, has been increased. This was because of the earthquake that had happened in the year 2015 in Nepal. So the same news that the Nepal and China has recently announced the new height of Mount Everest as 8848.86 meter. Earlier it was 8848 meters, so there is slight increase of 0.86 centimeters. What was recognized since 1954? It was done by India only by Survey of India. The foreign ministers had jointly announced this. From Nepal, Pradeep Kumar Gyavali, and from China, Yang Yi has announced this particular thing. So first of all, we have a look at the increase, that is 86 centimeter. And earlier, like a lot of countries, like if you see US has devised a different height, because as per them 8850 meters is the actual height, which is 6 meter higher, which is 6 meter higher, which was devised by China. Because earlier China used to devise that the height is 8844 meters. India and all the other world except China and US, the actual height was 8848 meters, which was मतलब सभी के द्वारा एक्सेप्ट की जाती थी इन द वर्ल्ड एक्सेप्ट यूएस एंड चाइना. एंड यूएस के अकॉर्डिंग कितना 8850 meters is the actual height. But now they have come up with this, that the actual height is 8848.86 meter. First of all, we'll see about Mount Everest. So updated official height is 8848.86 meters. Mount Everest is 50 to 60 million years old, and it rises about half a meter per century, and it was formed after the collision of Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. Clear? And the summit is dome of snow where six people can stand. Means the height जहां पे मतलब बिल्कुल पीक है माउंट एवरेस्ट का, दैट इज 8848.86 मीटर्स पे, वहां पे द डोम ऑफ स्नो, एक स्नो का एक डोम है, वहां पर कितने मैक्सिमम 6 पीपल कैन स्टैंड, नॉट मोर देन दैट. मैक्सिमम 6 लोग वहां पे स्टैंड या खड़े रह सकते हैं. हिस्ट्री की बात करते हैं, इसका नाम कैसे डिवाइस हुआ माउंट एवरेस्ट. द ब्रिटिश इनिशियली रेफर्ड टू द 29035 फुट टॉल पिनेकल एज पीक 15. इसको पहले क्या क्या कहा जाता है, पीक 15. अंटिल एंड्री वो द सर्वेयर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया प्रपोज इट बी नेम फॉर हिज प्रीडिसेसर जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट. मतलब एंड्रयू वॉ के जो प्रीडिसेसर, उसके पहले जो उनके पहले जो सर्वेयर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया थे, दैट इज जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट, उनके नाम पर माउंट एवरेस्ट का नाम रखा जाए. अब बात करते हैं अलग अलग देशों में इसको किस नाम से जाना जाता है. तिब्बत में इसको जाना जाता है कोमोलांगमा, विच इज ऑल्सो नोन एज गॉडेस मदर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. नेपाल की बात करें तो नेपाल में माउंट एवरेस्ट को सागर माथा के नाम से, मतलब वी कैन से फोरहेड ऑफ द स्काई. और माउंट एवरेस्ट की जो हाइट है उसकी टोटल 8848.86 मीटर से रिवाइज हाइट, बट एनीथिंग अबव 8000 मीटर एरिया हाइट इज नोन एज डेथ जोन, कि वहां पर काफी कैजुअलिटीज वगैरह हुई है, मतलब दैट इज वेरी रिस्की above 8000 meters. So that's why that particular region, when you cross 8000 meter, that is known as death zone. Now we'll have a look at those people, those pioneers who have, got victory by, climbing this highest peak of the world, that is Mount Everest. So the first ever recorded people to climb Everest were Edmund Hillary. He was from New Zealand, and Tenzing Norgay, a Tibetan guide with him. So they were the pioneers. They climbed the mountain in the year 1953. It was first climbed by Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary in the year 1953. This guy Tenzing Norgay was the guide, Tibetan guide. Talking about India, or we can say Colonel Avatar Singh Chima was the first person to climb Mount Everest in the year 1965. 1965 में कर्नल अवतार सिंह चीमा ने माउंट एवरेस्ट की चढ़ाई करी थी इन द ईयर 1965, और उसी के लिए उनको अर्जुन अवार्ड, जो हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड है अपने यहाँ पे अपने देश में, और पद्म श्री से भी नवाजा गया। महिला की बात करें तो जुनको ताबाई, शी इज फ्रॉम जापान, became the first woman, world's first woman to climb Mount Everest in the year 1975. Then Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman mountaineer जो वहां पर पहुंचे माउंट एवरेस्ट पे। और इंडिया अरुणिमा सिन्हा, जो कि शी वाज द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट फीमेल एम्प्यूटी टू क्लाइम माउंट एवरेस्ट इन द ईयर 2013। एम्प्यूटी का मतलब होता है कहीं ना कहीं से, मतलब पार्शियल, वी कैन से कि जैसे किसी का कुछ हाथ नहीं है या पैर नहीं, मतलब थोड़ी सी फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी। तो दिस पर्टिकुलर फ्रॉम person from India, that is whose name is Arunima Sinha, became the world's first female amputee to climb Mount Everest in the year 2013. Clear है? 1953 एडमंड हिलरी, तेंजिंग नॉर्गे, दोनों ने। देन अवतार सिंह चीमा 1975, देन जुनको तबाई, शी इज फ्रॉम जापान, 1975, देन बचेंद्री पाल, फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन, देन अरुणिमा सिन्हा इन द ईयर 2013, शी वाज द फर्स्ट फीमेल इन वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट फीमेल एम्प्यूटी टू क्लाइम माउंट एवरेस्ट। Now we'll see who all are the nations which are involved in this. So first is India, because India was the one who had propounded or given the actual height, that is 8848 meters, which was universally accepted in by past 6 to 7 decades. Okay, and except China, which has devised the height as 8844 meters, like 4 meters less what India had devised, and USA, who has given 8850, 2 meters more what India has devised by the Survey of India in the year 1954. यूएस का डेटा आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू 8850 मीटर वो बोलते हैं। इन्होंने भी एक पूरा सर्वे कराया था थ्रू नेशनल जियोग्राफिक सोसाइटी यूएस। उन्होंने बोला था कि 8848 मीटर इज नॉट द एक्चुअल हाइट इज 8850 meters ऑफ दिस हाईएस्ट पीक। नेपाल एंड न्यूजीलैंड वाई केम इनटू द पिक्चर? न्यूजीलैंड, एडमंड हिलेरी बिलोंग्स टू न्यूजीलैंड। अभी का जो 8848.86 मीटर का जो नया रिवाइज हाइट नेपाल ने और चाइना ने बोला है, तो नेपाल हैज टेकन द हेल्प ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड इन दिस इन द ईयर 2019, एंड आफ्टर पूरा उन्होंने प्रॉपर सर्वे करके ऑल द by taking all the technologies into consideration and all the methods that can be adopted to carve out the actual height, तो नेपाल ने न्यूजीलैंड का साथ लिया दोनों कंट्री, और चाइना ने इंडिपेंडेंटली अपनी हाइट अपने मेथड्स के थ्रू निकाली। चाइना मेजरमेंट वाज डन सेपरेटली। आगे बढ़ते हैं, कौन कौन से देश इसमें इन्वॉल्व थे? चाइना एंड नेपाल वर्क सेपरेटली ओवर द मेजरमेंट, बट देयर रिजल्ट वर एक्जैक्टली सेम, बिकॉज इंडिया का अपन ने देखा, यूएस का टेक अपन ने देख लिया कि यूएस ने 1999 में नेशनल ज्योग्राफिक्स के थ्रू कराया था उन्होंने। उसके बाद न्यूजीलैंड की पिक्चर में आया, बिकॉज न्यूजीलैंड और नेपाल ने मिलकर अभी रिवाइज हाइट के ऊपर काम किया, और चाइना ने सेपरेटली काम किया विद इट्स टीम ऑफ 120 पर्सन्स। और द बेस्ट पार्ट इज चाइना एंड नेपाल वर्क सेपरेटली बट द रिजल्ट्स वर सेम, लाइक उन्होंने काम अलग अलग किया, अपने अपने मेथड्स यूज किए, बट फाइनली द रिजल्ट्स वर सेम। द रिवाइज हाइट वाज 8848.86 meters. So that was all from this topic, and it's time for quiz. So we'll move to the quiz section. So the question number 1, the previous height 8848 meters was determined by India's National Survey and Mapping Organization with the Survey of India. Which of the following has been replaced by 1? Now the question is asking about in which year. So the correct answer is option C, that is 1954 by Survey of India. Question number 2, which of the following statement is incorrect? First, Mount Everest was named in 1865 by the British Surveyor General of India, Henry Waugh. It is named after another Surveyor General of India, George Everest. The peak is called Sagarmatha in Nepalese and Komolangma in Tibetan. That is also correct. So the correct answer is option D. All the three options A, B, C are correct. Question number 3. Which of the following statement is correct? So first, geodesy is the science of accurately measuring and understanding three fundamental properties of the Earth. This is right. A theodolite is a precision optical instrument for measuring angles between designated visible points in the horizontal and vertical planes. These two all are the techniques, or we can say the tactics, wherein we can devise through which the height of Mount Everest has been devised by different countries. So the both are correct. So the correct answer is option C. Now we move to question number 4. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Now the question is asking about the incorrect one. First is there is very little life on top of the peak. Second, the highest residing animal species, a jumping spider, is found at an elevation of 6,700 meters, and the moss found at about 6,500 meters, the highest altitude plant species in the world. Third, area above the height of 7,000 meters is called the death zone. And D, all are correct. So option A and B are correct. The question is asking for the incorrect one. And I already told you the area above 8,000 feet is known as death zone, not 7,000 meters. So the correct answer is option C. Now we move to the last question, that is question number 5. Which of the following statement is incorrect? First is Colonel Avatar Singh Cheema was the first Indian to climb Mount Everest in the year 1965. That is absolutely correct. 1953, Edmund Hillary in Tenzing Norgay. Then first Indian, 1965, Colonel Avatar Singh Cheema. Second, Bachendri Pal was the first Indian mountaineer to reach the summit of Mount Everest. That is also correct. Third, India's Arunima Sinha became the world's first female amputee to climb Mount Everest in the year 2013. That is also absolutely correct. So all the three options, that is A, B, and C, are correct. So the correct answer of this question is option D. So I think with this, we have got a good overview about this topic. This was recently in news, so that's why we have taken this topic into account. A quote, that is, the ladder of success is best climbed by stepping on the rungs of opportunity, by Ayn Rand. So with this, we are good to go. Be positive, stay logical, and stay ahead with Vidhya, your best pal for CLAT preparations. And to get this content and more stuff with related to CLAT and other law entrance exam, you can visit the URL which has been provided in the description section of this video. And you can also join our Telegram channel as well. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.